as you see in here, we reduced our lighting in HPS round 1 versus LED round 2, and then even into round 3, we showed a 18% savings and then a 25% savings, because as you reduce one, you may get an overall load reduction in some cases, but in others you may go up a bit. So you'll see fan power actually went up in this case, and electric reheat went down, and also obviously lighting use and total load went down, but several other factors did go up. So it is an ecosystem, and it's a balancing act between these different ecosystems and conditions that are really impacted. So it's important to remember that this is a whole system.